welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna learn the letter D. So first I'm gonna show you how to write the letter D.
Good.
One line and one big semicircle. One line and one semicircle.
Good.
So can you tell me the sound what letter D make? D. For dolls.
Yeah. D for
Dolls.
dolls. Dolls.
D. Dog.
D.
Dog.
Dog.
D. Dinosaur.
Yay. Dinosaurs.
Roar.
Yay.
Dress.
Oh yeah.
I'm wearing the dress.
Yay.
Because I'm going to the party.
Yeah. So dress, and you have a dress on your t-shirt. A beautiful dress. Yeah.
Drink.
Oh wow.
Drink some milk.
Yeah. And drink some water.
Yeah, drink some water. For.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah. See you next time. And please comment below a few other words you're thinking from letter
D.
D. Bye.
Roar.